Today's videos, my friends, is coming from the man who gave us the philosophy of self-actualization and the hierarchy of needs, Abraham Maslow. And I was meditating on his quotation this morning and this thought emerged. And as usual, I want to capture it before it disappears. Here's what Maslow wrote. Maslow said, in any given moment, we have two choices: step forward into growth or step backward into safety. Step forward into growth or step backward into safety. Please remember, whenever you're doing something that's outside your comfort zone, that is unfamiliar territory, that is something new that you haven't done before, your comfort zone is going to pull you back with a huge gravitational force because it's feeling that discomfort. Where are you going? Why are you going there? This is where you belong, and your comfort zone is going to give you 100 pieces of very solid logic why you shouldn't be stepping into the unknown. Your voice inside the head is going to tell you there is no need for this thing that you're doing. You're exerting yourself without any need. Go back to safety. It's nice there. Things were okay the way they are. There's no need to change it. Nobody else is doing it. Why are you bothering to do it? Remember, if this voice wins, if you allow this voice to win, you retreat back into your comfort zone, you would have lost a golden opportunity to grow. As Maslow said, forward into growth or backward into safety. But if you move backward into safety, you miss those numerous opportunities for growth, which don't usually happen on university campuses, by the way, which don't usually happen while you're into formal learning programs. They happen in everyday life when you choose to step forward with faith that I have the ability to tackle this. I have the ability to learn from this. I have the ability to make the very best out of this. So this is my message, my friends. Don't let this inner voice, this desire for safety, this inner mental, emotional weakness, this emotional timidity, don't let this fear of the unknown push you or confine you to a very narrow zone of human experience that's called your comfort zone. That's what it is. It's a very, very narrow zone that you will remain stuck in if you don't step forward in faith. Push yourself. Go against this primal instinct. And I call it the primal instinct because it's been programmed into our subconscious over thousands of years, because perhaps thousands of years ago, venturing into the unknown could be death. But that's not the case now. That's not the case now. Today, it's about making that phone call. Today, it's about making that sales pitch. Today, it's about making that connection. Today, it's about being assertive in that negotiation. Today is an entirely different ball game. Today, it's about writing that blog, writing that video, learning that new language, doing the things that you need to do. And please remember, before I close this video, it's really important for you to be able to achieve results. Don't do this for the appreciation of other people. Don't do it that friends will appreciate, or your boss would appreciate, or your co-workers or parents or somebody else going to pat you on the back for this. Don't expect that. Probably won't happen. And if it doesn't happen, you're going to lose your motivation. Do it for yourself. Do it for the person that you will become in the process, because others probably might not even understand the battle that you're fighting. The battle that you're fighting might not even make sense to them. But if it makes sense to you, if it's going to make you a better person and a better professional, please, please, please take that risk. Leave your safety zone. Figure out what happens. Take whatever learning comes along the way. Don't repeat your mistakes and venture forward into growth. Take care. Bye-bye.